Hey, what's up, my friends? This is Hacker Cyrus in Assassin's Creed style. No, I'm not Assassin, neither a hacker. Anyways, I'm gonna show you really fast how how to fix Hidserv. Hidserv is using CPU power for no reason, consuming CPU power for no reason. Very fast. Go to Startup Windows, down to the left over here. Go to your system, to settings. Sorry, really sorry that everything is in Greek. Go to applications or programs over here and look for hidhide. I have already installed it, but yeah, this is what causes the problem. Hidhide or hidehide. I think it's hidhide. Anyways, yeah, uninstall it and everything is fine. Yeah, so again, very fast, very fast. Go down. Okay, forget the task manager. Down left, startup, Windows startup, or start, whatever it's called in your language. Go to settings. For me it's settings. Go to over here, applications, programs, and in your application and programs find hidhide. Okay. If you can understand what I'm saying, I'm gonna add steps, all steps in the descriptions and extra stuff. If this doesn't work for you, I read in some forums you can, like, the first step is uninstall hidhide, then clean your registry, which I don't touch it. For me it worked right away. I uninstall hidhide and it worked. You can also, when you uninstall hidhide, you clean the registry for the hidhide and then restart your computer. For me it worked right away. Anyways, now let me show you, let me talk now about my experience, what it caused it, how it began, how it started, what was the problem, the issue. So I bought recently a new RGB mouse. This is Razer Basilisk V3 RGB gaming mouse, as you can see. So when I plugged it, I don't know actually when it happened. So either the problem started when I plugged the mouse into my PC, or when I installed the Razer Synapse application, the program to configure and custom your RGB and functions on the mouse. So that's when it started. I noticed that over here it goes like consuming. Oh my god, OBS now, it's consuming a CPU. Okay, forget it. Anyways, so yeah, when I open Task Manager, I noticed that CPU runs on 30%. And I had closed everything. I closed everything in my Windows. Anyways, CPU now it's 15 because I'm recording 1080p. Anyways, it was running 30%, not only 30%, but it was on boost. I'm using CPU i7 7th gen 7400, and it was running on overboost 3.4 gigahertz as well. So you could see here 30%, and that was a lot, killing my performance for no reason. So I made my research, I searched on the net, I read some forums, and that's what I told you. At some point I had installed hidhide, probably for my DS4 over here. I do have, you see. I'm using my PS5 controller. Let me show you. I have it over here. So I'm using my PS5 controller to play. It's over here. Okay, I'm using my PS5 controller to play video games on my PC. So I think that's when happened. And I'm using DS4 for Windows. You see, DS4 Windows. So yeah, anyways, at some point I think to install the drivers and make it work so I can play video games with my PS5 DualSense. I think I installed hidhide I don't know when or why, but I installed it. Or maybe I installed it with something else. I don't know. I have no idea. Anyways, no one cares for that. So let me close it. Yeah, and I made a research on internet, and the first, like, I noticed myself over here. If you go to tasks and scroll down, okay, now everything is in Greek. You will find, like, for Microsoft, the name is Hidserv, and you will find it like human interface devices, servings or service, something like this. So that was which was running like 30%. That's a lot. It was running without any reason. So the first I did was to uninstall Razer. It didn't work. Then I noticed that when I unplug my Razer PC mouse, it actually worked. It's gone. But I'm like, I bought a new RGB high-end overkill mouse. Why should I unplug it and use my old one, which doesn't work anyways? So I plug again the Razer, and it was still consuming 30% at boost. So it was killing my performance. And yeah, I made more research on internet, and I see people saying about that it is actually hidhide. So for me it worked. I hope it works for you guys. That's the easiest and the fastest solution. Uninstall hidhide. If it doesn't work, uninstall the registry of hidhide as well, and then restart your PC. Yeah, and that's how it worked. So yeah, and I see many other people having the same issue. Also, another problem, I do really like my mouse, okay? I do really like Razer RGB gaming mouse. It's an overkill for me because I don't use it for gaming, but I really love it. And I'm like, even though Razer has awesome, amazing products, the application, Synapse, the program to custom the RGB and the functions and the buttons on the devices, it's actually, you have to use it all the time down to the disk tray over here. Not disk tray, to startup tray, which is down to the right over here. Okay, you see? Here you can see OBS now and my internet security and other stuff. So to use Synapse, it has to be down here, and it uses extra 1 GB of RAM. And I think I didn't check the CPU, but because the CPU was already overloaded with at least 30%, just like that. Anyways, I removed the Synapse, didn't work. Unplug mouse, went away, but we need a mouse, so yeah. So guys, I hope that was helpful. So if you have any other solutions, any other tricks, leave a comment down in the comments section below. Or you can ask me anything, I will answer back. So yeah, I hope I really helped. That was really helpful. If you guys want to share anything, let me know. If you want to ask anything, again, leave a comment in the section below. But yeah, that was that, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, it's free, click the bell button so you get all notifications when I go live or I upload a video. Follow me on social media like TikTok, Facebook and Twitter. Follow me on other live streaming platforms like Twitch, Trovo and Kick. Stay tuned because I only play AAA games, doing walkthroughs, playthroughs, let's plays, live streams. I do Pokemon Go videos all the time, honey hunting all the time, Lego speed build videos, real life nature exploration, hiking, road trip videos, unboxing reviews of awesome special edition consoles, accessories, collector boxes, and last but not least, real life flavor test reviews of food and drinks. So yeah, I hope I didn't forget anything. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, adios, peace. Wish you good luck, my friends.